Well, here we are. Now it's not quite 10 after 5, and look what a difference a few hours makes. As you can see, it is not raining anymore. The river's moving fast. I gotta make sure I hang on to my camera here. And the river's zipping right along, and we're at about what? I don't know, let's see, 9, 8, probably about 6 feet. If I'm interpreting, you have to interpolate from what you can't see behind the foliage. There's a zoom for foliage interpolation of the fast-moving water. Sun on this side of us, and the clouds are receding away. And we already have a duck.